What's up guys, this is Shan Haider and today we got Oppo Reno 10 5G smartphone with us and we are going to perform an unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs, build quality and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the huge Reno 10 series branding, Oppo Reno 10 5G. It comes with this nice rainbow effect, as you can see. On the back we got the information that it comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the color variant we got inside is ice blue. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin, some quick start guide, safety user guide and a silicon TPU case for the back panel. Here is our Oppo Reno 10 5G in ice blue, a 67 watt Oppo SuperVOOC charger, and here we got a USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff you will get inside the retail box of Oppo Reno 10 5G, the smartphone, case for the back panel, quick start guide, the SIM card tray ejector pin, USB Type-C cable and 67 watt charger. Here in this protective cover you can see a few of the specs of the device are mentioned, like it comes with ultra clear portrait camera system. We got 32 megapixel telephoto portrait camera, 67 watt SuperVOOC flash charge and 5000 mAh battery. So here is our Oppo Reno 10 5G in ice blue color and you can see it's looking very beautiful. The back panel is gorgeous. So let's switch on the device, and while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about its hardware specs. So it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor. We got 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and then it runs on Android 13 on top of Color OS. We got 5000 mAh battery with 67 watt charging and in-display fingerprint sensor. So now I will go through the setup process and after that we will have a detailed look on our device. And the setup is completed and we are good to go with our Oppo Reno 10 5G. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a huge screen with 93% screen to body ratio and the edges of the display are curved. So the side bezels are practically non-existent. The bottom bezel is also very thin and the same goes with the top bezel as well. And here you can see that we got the physical proximity sensor on our Oppo Reno 10. At the top center of the display we got the front facing camera in this punch hole and there is a tiny slit provided for the earpiece. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone and the SIM card tray slot. At the top we got the speaker grill, the IR blaster and the secondary microphone. So we got the stereo speaker setup on Oppo Reno 10 here, and you can see that the top of the Reno 10 5G comes with its own unique texture with shimmering shiny effect that looks quite beautiful. The display of Oppo Reno 10 5G is protected by AGC DTS2 glass and it also comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it. We got an in-display fingerprint sensor and the device does not come with any kind of IP certification for being water and dust resistant. On the back of the device, we got this frosted back panel that looks beautiful. It comes with Oppo Glow technology, so you can see nice shimmering effect on the back panel and it also changes the color at different angle that looks very beautiful and it gives the feeling of a flagship smartphone. The edges of the back panel are also curved. The device is just 7.9 mm thick. The device is 7.99 mm thick, so basically it's 8 mm and it weighs 185 grams. And because of the front and back curved edges, it's very comfortable to hold the device in hand. The lightweight design also contributes in that, and considering the fact that it comes with a huge 6.7-inch display with 5000 mAh battery, the device is pretty lightweight. And because of the huge screen to body ratio, you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue. Talking about the display, we got a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 2412x1080p resolution, and with 93% screen-to-body ratio, the PPI you will get is 394. It supports 10-bit 1 billion color reproduction as well as HDR10+. So because of all of these, the display of Oppo Reno 10 5G is very sharp, it's beautiful, and even if I bring the screen so close to the camera, you won't see any pixelation. The viewing angles are nice, the display is sharp, the colors are punchy and very well saturated, and because of the huge screen to body ratio and curved edges, it provides a very nice visual experience. The maximum brightness in regular mode can go as high as 500 nits, under the sunlight it can go as high as 800 nits, and if you watch the HDR or HDR10+ content, then the maximum peak brightness can go as high as 950 nits. Because of that, you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate, and you can select between high and standard, or you can go with auto select that changes the screen refresh rate based on the activity you are doing. And at 120Hz, the screen is very smooth, as you can see here. Now talking about the software side, Reno 10 5G comes with Android 13 and Color OS 13.1. So of course it comes with some Color OS applications like Theme Store, Internet App Market. We also got the Pictures, My Files, and some nice useful application under the Tools folder, and we also got plenty of third-party applications and bloatware. But the good part is that if you do not want to use any of them, then the Color OS provides you the option to uninstall them from your Reno 10. So this is a nice thing for sure. If you go to the settings here, you can see that Color OS 13 is very feature rich, as it provides us lots and lots of options to customize our device for better user experience. It also comes with lots of useful features that you can use to improve your productivity on your device. The user interface is very smooth, and the navigation and everything is quite nice as well. Now talking about the camera, we got a 32 megapixel front facing camera and 64 megapixel primary camera on the back, with 32 megapixel telephoto lens and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. So I'm glad that there is no useless depth sensor or dedicated macro lens provided. Instead of that, we got a pretty good combination of lenses on Reno 10. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with option to switch between the wide angle, and also for zooming options, it comes with 2x hybrid optical zoom, and you can go as high as 20x digital zoom, and I believe up to 5x. The quality will be pretty good. So it comes with HDR, we got the beautification, we got Google Lens here as well. If we go to video, you can see that we can select up to 4K resolution video, and it comes with stabilization as well, but then it will switch to 1080p resolution. We got the night mode, and the wide angle mode is available for night mode as well. And if you go to the portrait mode, this is the combination of the bokeh effect and the beautification, and it comes with 2x photography mode for nice portrait imaging. It's called Pro Portrait mode because this smartphone allows you to select the level of bokeh and create desired depth of field for your portrait photography. If we go to more, here you can see that it comes with Pro mode Extra HD, that's the 64 megapixel full resolution imaging. We got panorama, slow motion time lapse, dual view video, we got a sticker and text scanner as well. So in terms of camera features, Oppo Reno 10 is looking quite nice. The rear camera combo is also quite useful, but we will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our later videos. But right now it's looking quite promising for sure. Overall, Oppo Reno 10 5G is a very nice smartphone in its price segment. The design and build quality is solid. It's slim, lightweight, comes with a unique design statement. We got dual stereo speaker setup, IR blaster, in-display fingerprint sensor, and a gorgeous looking back panel with a promising set of cameras. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Oppo Reno 10 5G are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.